So I'm doing a video on how to do the wiring from the e-locker up. The best way of doing it would be to say that this was the plug coming off the harness from the motor and everything. I cut the wires off. These, when I built my plug, these two wires can be tied together. This one I used into some trailer wiring. I'd use a smaller gauge. This stuff's a little bit too big for what I needed. I went green to green, red with red, green black to black, green yellow to yellow, and then the blue yellow I went to brown. And then I went to this relay setup. It's a dual pole, dual throw relay. And I have the original Toyota button. So that's what this wire is coming to, and that's what this plug's going to. I need to tie that up again. How do I put it? So I actually have it on my phone here, if I can get it. Because the relay was a bit of a problem. I took a while to be able to get it to work. The relay, 5 and 4, you need to have power going to 5 and 4. So this one here is power, and then this one down here is power, and then I have a jumper from that to the switch so I can activate the switch. 1, I went black. 8, I went yellow. 12, I went red, and then 9, green. And that will make it so the original Toyota switch will work into it. As for the Toyota switch, I pulled out. So on the Toyota switch, it only comes with blue, or I added blue and light gray. And then I tied blue and black together. This one's kind of where I got mixed up. I might not even add this into the video. Added blue and gray for the light. Added purple for the exterior light, which I just have sitting there. Green is power in, so that would be power from this switch here, so from the relay going to it. And then black is power out, so blue and black come back as a connector back here to connect into the relay. Oh, and then an on-off switch is, you jump these two with power, black, yellow, red, green, and then you can have an on-off switch, and then you just have to hold each time you go up and down.